Today I'm here to talk to you about DOIL ECOTEC's products. A little bit about the company. DOIL ECOTEC is an eco-friendly plastic compound producer with 31 years of compound manufacturing technology experience. DOIL ECOTEC's main products include Togreen, a biodegradable compound, Biocom, a biomass plastic compound, eco-friendly wood plastic compounds, also known as WPC, and functional compound and antibacterial master batch, or antibac. DOIL ECOTEC partners on R&D products and projects through industry and academia research agreements with organizations such as SKC and other Korean-based institutions, including Atomic Energy Research Institute, Research Institute of Chemical Technology, Institute of Construction and Living Environment, Ina University, and Incheon University. As plastic waste and microplastics become an issue in our planet, DOIL ECOTEC assessed the business feasibility of biodegradable plastic compounds and began R&D. The business has been successful since, especially driven by the strengthening of regulation on single-use plastics worldwide. The demand for biodegradable plastics is rapidly increasing, and the market is expected to expand. DOIL ECOTEC is scheduled to complete a second plant dedicated to biodegradable compounds by 2022. A little more about the company, and I'll first highlight one of DOIL ECOTEC's products at this point, as it conveys the spirit and the purpose of the company. If you look at the news these days, you often come across reports of extreme weather and disasters caused by global warming. One of the causes of environmental pollution, is plastics. Plastics take more than 300 years to decompose, and the recycling rate is less than 10%. So it's a problem that cannot be overlooked anymore. This is where DOIL ECOTEC's Togreen product comes in. It's an eco-friendly plastic compound that decomposes in 6 months. DOIL ECOTEC's biodegradable plastic compound, Togreen, has a wide variety of application. Togreen is being used on disposable products and daily necessities, 3D printer filament, beauty products, and construction materials. DOIL ECOTEC's biodegradable plastic compound, Togreen, offers superior properties and values compared to its competitors. Now I'll give a little background on biodegradable products. Biodegradable plastic are eco-friendly new material made by combining biodegradable resins, including PLA, PBAT, and PBS, using special blending methods. As I mentioned, biodegradable plastics decompose in 6 months, a drastic reduction in the decomposition time of traditional petroleum-based plastic products today, which take 300 years to decompose. When it comes to certifications, DOIL has many. It has some domestic and overseas certifications. When it comes to biodegradable certifications, it holds the domestic EL 724 certification from the Ministry of Environment, and overseas it has the TUV certification from Austria. It also includes some certifications on the test contents, including hazardous substance analysis test, biodegradable test, decomposition and collapse test, and environmental toxicity test. Other certifications also include safety of the raw materials. There's 2 certifications that I can mention. One of them is Germany's LFGB certification, needed for any appliance interacting with food, and the SGS certification, which is tested for hazardous ingredients using FDA standards. I'll mention some of Togreen's main advantages, which are in the environmental friendliness and the ease of use. When it comes to environmental friendliness, Togreen is conveniently available as plastics. Togreen can be used in where ordinary petroleum-based plastics are used. It's also completely biodegradable within 6 months in the right composting conditions, and it's harmless to nature and the environment. The final product of the decomposition are carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, H2O, which are environmentally friendly. The second set of features and advantages are the ease of use. They can be used by companies that mold plastic products rather than consumers, can be used with various molding methods, including extrusion, injection, vacuum molding, and blow. And it can replace general petroleum-based plastic raw materials. From the point of view of general consumers, Togreen is biodegradable raw material used to solve environmental products used by petroleum-based plastics, widely used today. When it comes to awards, DOIL ECOTEC has received the 2021 Korea Innovation Awards for eco-friendly products in the bioplastics sector. I'll close with a little bit of the plans that DOIL ECOTEC has for the future. DOIL ECOTEC is building a future strategy with a focus on environmental issues. First, some short-term goals that the company has. It plans to commercialize biodegradable plastics that can decompose under various conditions and maintain physical properties, and that have antibacterial and ultra-high heat resistance and adjustable decomposition period. In addition, it's focusing on research and development in the fields of mulching, non-woven fabric and textile, and medical devices. In the mid to long term, nano and carbon fiber composite materials will be developed for aerospace applications, and the special 3D printer filament material using natural material and biodegradable super engineered plastic will be developed and commercialized. To achieve these goals, DOIL ECOTEC has secured a large factory in Jeongtech Industrial Complex in Hwaseong, Gyeonggi-do in the outskirts of Seoul, along with new automation systems. DOIL ECOTEC plans to continue playing a leading role as a forward-thinking green growth company. DOIL ECOTEC will strive to maintain customers' trust via continuous research and development of bioplastic products based on human and eco-friendliness basics.